So here is my SodaStream machine, and it takes the 60-liter CO2 canister that just clicks onto the back here. There's one inside already, so it just easily just comes off like that, and then you insert it here. Now we don't need any batteries for this machine. It's the pressure from the CO2. When you press the button, that creates the pressure. So now we'll put the water bottle. We filled the water bottle up to the line. So you want to fill it up, and then you push it on up, and there it's set.
I supported a bit.
Okay. Now we just press this button. And it creates the fizz. And that's it. So here we have our nice carbonated water. And here you can press it more than once if you want to have a more fizzy water. With this water, you can add your own flavors or just leave it just your plain sparkling water.